And I wanted to know if you could just give a little bit of information on whether or not olives will grow in this particular part of Florida. And I guess as I listened to the discussion with what the information that you have provided, it almost sounds like you can grow anything, anywhere, if you can put together the right conditions. For example, I know that they'll say certain crops will only grow in certain soils and certain climates. Is there a way to change that? That if someone said you would not normally grow olive trees in this part of Florida, what kind of conditions must exist, would have to exist for me to be able to successfully grow olive trees?
We know they used to say that blueberries wouldn't grow down into Florida either. Now they're growing all the way down almost to LaBelle. And speaking, to answer your question a little bit, I think there's a certain university in this state that has let the citrus industry go flat due to citrus greening. I have a product that stops citrus greening right now, all non-toxic. But to be, and I didn't touch on that, by the way, and a few other products are non-toxic to stop a lot of issues that are killing the citrus industry, peaches and more, like fire blight and so forth. But now what I would look at, I'd look at different species of olives, and I'd look at their cold tolerance, and I'd look at maybe if you had a little bit type of soil and applied energy, and then I'd make a product that is a natural multi-level polymer that helps on freezing, that takes it down for at least a couple hours of freezing in the morning. But I'd look at raising the energy in the plant, and the energy will resist more insects, more issues, including cold, to keep that energy up, just like it does for us. But I look at the different types of olives that you might be able to find and do a little study on it. In fact, I'll help you. And you're, what, within 20 miles of town? North, southeast? North. Okay. I think you could grow their olives, but you may need a little bit of protected, maybe even, depends on how many acres you want to grow, some protection that would cover them in the winter inexpensively. But I think if you have a high energy soil and build what I call their bricks, which is sucrose, sugar up, it will resist about 10 degrees colder weather. So there's some things we might be able to do on that. I think you can grow there.